Hi there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week and you don't want to miss anything. So today, we're going to talk about the most commonly asked question when relocating. Should I rent or buy first when moving to a new city? This is a question that has no right or wrong answer. The final decision should be based on what you need for you, your family, and what you know about the area. Let me give you a few thoughts to consider when trying to answer this question. What is your lifestyle? Do you want or need privacy? Does the idea of sharing a wall with someone bother you? If so, then considering buying a single-family home might be the best option for you. You could also consider renting a single-family home, but you're going to pay a significant amount more than you would if you purchased the home yourself. Other questions to consider is, do you have the time to deal with the upkeep or maintenance? As you probably know, buying a traditional home may include maintenance and upkeep both inside and outside, whereas buying a condo might eliminate some of the outside maintenance. Renting could also be maintenance-free, depending on the contract. Do you want to be able to garden or play outside? A home might have the advantage in this area, as most rentals will have limited private or common space. What is your current family structure? Are you single, or will others be living with you? Do you have any pets? Do you have children? If it's just you, the option to rent might be beneficial for a short period of time to allow you to acclimate to the area. If you have children, then either renting or buying would work. It's important to think about school districts because if you have a certain school in mind, depending on affordability, it may not be possible to purchase within that district, so renting may be a better option for you. On the other hand, if you want your kids to have security and not move between schools, then finding a home in an area you want to plant roots in may also be a good idea. When it comes to pets, the type of pets that you have could factor into the rent or buy decision because some rentals have restrictions on whether you're allowed to have pets in the building at all, while others might set restrictions on weight, breed, or size. The same is true if you're thinking about purchasing a condo. Make sure to read the bylaws because every complex is different. If you have two 50-pound pit bulls, you'd want to strongly consider buying a single-family home, as you will have a difficult time finding a rental or condo that would accept your pets. Make sure you always read any documentation available so that you don't find yourself in a bad situation. What do you want from the new location? Are you returning to an area where you previously lived? Do you have extensive knowledge about the location? What is important to you about a place to live? If you have knowledge, either personal or from a trusted person about the area, then you can make an informed decision to purchase. If you don't, then you'll want to investigate the area first. If time is of the essence, then maybe consider a short-term rental so you have time to get situated and explore to determine the right area to buy. Things to consider are school districts, access to shopping and entertainment, safety, resale value, and taxes. Make sure to hit the little button in the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe today. I'll be releasing a video later in the series on the 7 most important things to consider when buying a home in a new city. Other questions are, how long will you live here? This is always a hard one because if you plan to stay in an area for 2 or more years, generally it's a better economic decision to purchase a home as opposed to renting. Here's a quick example for you to consider. Let's say you rent for $1,200 a month for 24 months, totaling $28,800, none of which you get back when you move out. If you buy a house for, say, $150,000 and your mortgage is also $1,200 a month, $600 a month will get applied to the principal. So in 2 years, you would have paid $14,400 to the principal balance, thus making your mortgage $135,600 in 2 years. Now, the market in our area statistically appreciates at 5% annually. So at the end of year 1, the house would be worth $157,500. And at the end of year 2, it would be worth $165,375. If you take away your mortgage balance of $135,600, you have $29,775 in equity. Assuming 8% in closing costs to sell the home, or $13,230, you would walk away with a $16,545 check at closing. That means you only spent $12,255 on the cost of living over 2 years, or $6,000 a year. Are you still spending money on housing? Sure you are, but you're spending so much less and actually get money back. But if you plan on staying in the area for less than 2 years, renting may be a better option for you. If you plan on staying longer, buying is definitely the way to go. So, rent or buy? Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. Hopefully, the above questions can help you make an informed decision based on your needs and preferences. I hope that you found today's episode insightful, informative, and helpful. As always, if you think you're within a year of making a move to Southeast Michigan, give me a call today and set up a consultation, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance of making a move. And if I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry. I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, check out one of my other videos, why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. That will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. Be sure to subscribe to my channel today and tune in to next week's question, 10 questions to ask your realtor when choosing your relocation specialist. You can also check out my other series on selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, buying a home for the first time, new construction, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.